Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to resolve the no picture issue on your telephone TV. First, check your remote control and make sure it's not discharged. Try replacing the two batteries inside your remote. If you don't have spare batteries, we can go through some other troubleshooting steps. Let's make sure the cable is properly connected. Check your power cord and make sure your TV cable is properly connected. You can also perform a cold reset by unplugging the power cord from the outlet, then plugging it back in after a minute or more. Usually a minute is enough. Also make sure the power outlet is delivering power. Try connecting another device to it, or connect your TV to a different outlet if possible. After you plug your TV back in, locate the physical power button on your TV. On this TV, the power button is located on the left edge right beneath the mini jack port. Press the power button once, and you'll be able to turn on your TV. On some other TVs, the power button may be located beneath the LED indicator or beneath the TV logo. So check for it on your particular device. If pressing the power button still doesn't show any picture, this might be a hardware issue. You should definitely reach out to Telefunken customer support and notify them about this issue. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and comment below. I'll see you in the next one.